turn the heat, yeah. You know it's about to go down. Shit, loud spots spreading hate, spot shit.
So, what is up sa inyo mga tropa? It's me, your boy Ven, back it out again with another vlog. So, kung magtataka kayo, for sure napanood nyo na yung next episode nito, which is yung Our Minds That Shapes Our Life. Pares suot ko, pares yung bolet. Yeah. One day filming parehas. Kasi sobrang rush na talaga ako kasi magiging busy days na next week. And this week, talagang mababawi na sa lahat ng bagay na napag-iwanan ko. At hindi ko napagtuunan ng pansin. Okay. So, welcome dito sa Season 3 of Vlog 8, which is the most valuable resource that we have is time. So, that is the third, it was the third lesson. If I'm not mistaken, that was the third lesson na-mention ko din sa last vlog natin, which is in learning. Okay? And it actually true. Our valuable resource that we have in our life is time. Kasi if our time runs out and then we die, there's no more chances. Okay? Kasi yun lang yung napagtanto ko after 4 years of being a working student na pinagsasabay yung aral at trabaho. Wala na akong time para sa sarili ko. Wala na akong time para sa family ko. Wala na akong time makipag-bonding sa mga kaibigan ko. Kung meron pa man, di ba? Hindi ko sure yun. Pero, na-realize ko lang yung lesson na yun, it was actually true. Na time is the most valuable resource that we have. Kasi if we die nga, there's no more chances. There's no more backing out. Kasi we die. Baka parang hindi na natin na-enjoy yung oras natin kasi when it becomes to being an adult or adolescent or young adult, sabihin na natin na gano'n, focus lang tayo sa work. Kung paano natin i-shape yung future natin. Diba? Up until burnout tayo, papagod tayo, madidrain tayo, physically and mentally. Doon natin pagtatanto na, oh shit, I'm tired. I need some enjoyment in life. Kasi even though na you are an adult working for your future, shaping your future, you still need time for yourself. For your special someones, for so many things. And before kasi nga, after being a working student, nawalan ako ng time sa sarili ko. Hindi ako gumagala. Pag walang work, hindi ako sa bahay. Talagang pahinga lang talaga. And I'm not doing something na talagang makakapagpasaya at makakapagpagaan lahat o makakapagpatanggal ng pagod na nararamdaman ko sa burnout and sa pagod na nakukuha ko sa work and academics. And yeah, maybe it's too late but hindi naman talaga super late kasi I'm still a kid. Okay? I'm turning 20 pa lang ako this year and there's so much time for me na para ma-enjoy ko yung life ko. Kumbaga parang ang dami pang chances na makabawi ako para sa sarili ko. Kasi whole of our life, ini-spend natin yung time natin every morning to afternoon sa school, di ba? And to those working student na hinarap ang reality of life ng sobrang aga is aral sa umaga, trabaho sa gabi. And pag day off, pahinga na lang. There is no enjoyment in life. Kumbaga, hindi natin na-enjoy yung time natin dito sa mundo to. Kasi once it's too late, I'll repeat it again, there's no more chances. Kumbaga, there's no second chance in life. When you die, you die. Kaya, as much as possible, guys, listen up, okay? As much as possible, enjoy din natin yung buhay natin. Do whatever you want to do. Go whenever you want to go. Eat whenever you want to eat. Buy whatever you want to buy. It's like me. I'm enjoying collecting some figures, okay? One Piece figures, Hot Wheels, Pokemons, a lot more. And food trips, kape, kain, kahit ano. I don't care if I spend a lot on those things kasi that is my enjoyment. That's how I enjoy my life. Gala kung saan-saan, kain kung saan-saan, bilhin ng mga bagay na hindi ko naman kailangan kung saan-saan. That's how I enjoy my life. So that's why, listen up, time is the most valuable resource that we have. That is true. 100%, 1. And yeah, that was it, I think. So, medyo short vlogs lang tayo. Go and visit Karawan Laguna kasi 14 to 16 may mga events po dito, which is yung Kalawan Piña Festival. And yeah, and that was it, I think. If you like this video, please drop a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto mo ma-shoutout, comment down below the hashtag shoutout for an outfit. 5 person and I will shout them to the end of the video. So yun lang guys, peace out, signing off. See you guys in the next vlog. Peace!
Teka lang kuya, para po pwede bang dahan-dahan lang tayo sa pagtakbo? Masyado nang mabilis ang pangyayari.